Welcome to our exclusive review of the all-new 2025 Mercedes-Benz CLA, the third-generation masterpiece redefining elegance and innovation. The front fascia of the 2025 CLA commands attention with its lower, sleeker nose and more sculpted, aerodynamic design. The signature Mercedes-Benz star sits proudly at the center of a diamond-studded grille, flanked by bold chrome accents and sharper air intakes. The hood features powerful creases that emphasize motion even at a standstill. Subtle yet aggressive lines lead your eyes outward, enhancing the CLA's wide and athletic stance. It's a balanced mix of grace and grit, designed to impress before you even start the engine. This isn't just a new generation, it's a new identity for the CLA. Mercedes takes lighting technology to new heights with the CLA's digital light system. These futuristic LED headlights not only offer crystal clear illumination, but also feature programmable light signatures that adapt to traffic and weather conditions. With intricate detailing and sharp contours, they elevate the coupe's premium aesthetic. The daytime running lights are shaped like angular eyebrows, giving the CLA a confident, almost human expression. It's not just about seeing ahead, it's about being seen in style. These are headlights that belong to tomorrow. Every touchpoint on the CLA screams refinement, and the doors are no exception. Flush door handles with keyless entry pop out gracefully when you approach, offering both visual cleanliness and aerodynamic advantage. Open them, and you're greeted with a gentle welcome light and premium materials lining the panels. Soft leather, brushed aluminum, and ambient lighting strips. The frameless design retains a coupe-like DNA, making ingress and egress feel sophisticated. The weight and damping of each door swing are engineered for silence and satisfaction. These aren't just car doors, they're an introduction to luxury. Under the hood, the 2025 CLA embraces efficiency without compromising performance. Depending on the variant, you get either a finely tuned turbocharged petrol engine or the all-new electric drivetrain built on Mercedes' MMA platform. The plug-in hybrid and EV options provide brisk acceleration and near-silent operation, all while reducing emissions. Advanced thermal management and a low center of gravity enhance handling and responsiveness. With up to 300 horsepower and AMG variants and seamless gear transitions, this car feels alive beneath your feet. Its power delivered with intelligence and finesse. From the profile, the CLA exudes a graceful, fluid motion that's unmistakably coupe-like. A swooping roofline flows into a short rear deck, giving it a poised, forward-leaning look. Clean character lines stretch across the body, reflecting light with every movement. The elongated wheelbase enhances both aesthetics and cabin space, while the subtle side skirts add a sporty edge. Frameless windows and blacked-out B-pillars enhance the floating roof effect, adding to its modern charisma. This is a kind of silhouette that turns heads even at a red light. The 2025 CLA sits proudly on a new range of alloy wheels that go up to 19 inches, each design more striking than the last. With intricate aerodynamic spoke patterns in gloss black or machine finishes, they complement the car's futuristic persona. These wheels are not just about aesthetics, they've been tuned for reduced drag and better brake cooling. Wrapped in performance tires, they give you both grip and grace on the road. Whether parked or in motion, the wheels complete the CLA's aggressive stance with elegance. It's rolling art you can drive. The rear of the CLA is now wider and more expressive, with a sloping rear window that merges into a subtle ducktail spoiler. New LED tail lights stretch into the quarter panels, creating a dynamic signature that lights up in animated sequences. The dual exhaust outlets are integrated cleanly into the bumper, and a bold chrome strip adds a touch of class across the tailgate. There's a sense of symmetry and fluidity that ties the whole design together. Whether you're arriving or leaving, this rear view leaves a lasting impression. Step inside, and the front seats wrap around you like a custom-tailored suit. With high-grade leather upholstery, memory functions, heating, ventilation, and optional massage, they're built for long drives and high comfort. The bolsters are supportive yet forgiving, and the stitching patterns add a handcrafted feel. Multicolor ambient lighting arcs around the seats, enhancing the mood for any time of day. The driving position is low and sporty, giving you full control of the road ahead. It's a cockpit that redefines first-class driving. In the rear, Mercedes has optimized the CLA space to be more accommodating than ever. The slightly longer wheelbase allows for improved legroom, while the low roofline still leaves adequate headspace thanks to clever seat placement. Rear passengers enjoy the same premium materials as up front, complete with ambient lighting, USB-C ports, and optional heated seats. The panoramic sunroof above makes the space feel open and inviting, even in the back. The CLA offers a journey wrapped in style and serenity. This isn't just for the driver, it's a treat for all aboard. The dashboard of the 2025 CLA is a futuristic symphony of technology and design, dominated by the new MBUX hyperscreen layout. It integrates multiple displays under a single glass panel that flows from pillar to pillar. The central touchscreen and digital cluster are powered by the latest Snapdragon Superbrain chip for lightning-fast responsiveness. Below, turbine-style air vents and customizable ambient lighting complete the sci-fi interior vibe. Touch, voice, and gesture controls make everything intuitive. It's not just a dashboard, it's your digital co-pilot. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz CLA isn't just an evolution, it's a revolution in luxury compact sedans. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more high-end car reviews every week.